Hey guys, welcome back to Always Austin. And y'all know what time it is. It's time for Kylie to get a new hairstyle. Yeah, so we took down the knotless braids with the hearts on the side and we took a little rest. My girl had to wear her puffs this week to school. I had washed her hair a few days ago and I just did not feel like a whole nother wash day was necessary. So I took a rag with some warm water and I just went on through it. It sure did. Y'all see it like that. A little dirt don't hurt, it just make it grow, okay? And I went through it with the blow dryer. But let's get into it. This is the hairstyle that we got inspiration from. We wanted something similar, but not exactly the same, okay? We liked how it had the knotless, the Bohemian look, the little curly ends on it. And we liked the ponytail. We even liked the little design on the side. So we said, okay, we're going to do this, but do a little twist on it, okay? My girl been wanting some Bohemian knotless braids for the longest. And I'm like, no, you're not ready for that because she going to turn into a whole different person. She going to really think she in the 8th grade with that Bohemian knotless hair. No, ma'am. So I said, okay, I like how it was in a ponytail. It still look kid friendly and cute. So what we're doing now is we're just sectioning off. Y'all saw how we had the 4 dangly braids in the front and it was like 2 hearts that connected into one. Y'all seen that? I think, did I explain it? Yeah, y'all gonna see it. So bam, y'all know this ponytail has a lot of stuff going on. So what I did on the side was instead of us doing like a half heart, we actually wanted to do like a whole heart on the side, and I was real confused at this point. Y'all saw I had paused a minute. I was like, because y'all know how I do my hearts. I kind of take that triangle out and then kind of make the curve like how I did in the last video. But this time, since it was on the side and all of it was going to be braided up, I had to go about it a little differently. So what I did was I just started like going around and just curving it out, getting that crescent type shape going instead of going through that triangle dip in the middle. So that's what I did with this heart on the side. And I wanted to take up most of the side of her head because, baby, started this hairstyle late per usual, and I was ready to get it done. So I didn't want these braids to be really, really small, okay? So that was going to be like a little medium large type thing going on, okay? So yeah, after we got it all sectioned out, we went ahead and started with the front. Now y'all know last time I used like braiding hair and curled it up, but it tangled up so bad. So this time we got us a little synthetic bundle. I got it from my local beauty supply store. It was only like $10, and I think this is like deep wave, and I think it's like an 18-inch curly. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the hair straight out from, not strictly, Lord have mercy, what I'm trying to say, straight from the weft, just like that. That's what we gonna do, okay, y'all? We gonna cut it from the weft, just like that. So now you have like little single pieces that you can just add into the hair. Yeah, okay, I'm learning, y'all. Look at that, getting better with time. I told y'all this. But anyway, so now we're going to do our heart, and I am still going to do these hearts like I normally do the my hearts, which is just dividing it into 2, making me a square, busting that square down the middle, and then doing my little slant and following that curve like this. So let me go ahead and apologize for my camera angle in these next few shots, okay? Because I really thought I was doing something, and I thought I was getting y'all up close and personal. And baby, y'all ain't know well. I'm sorry. I apologize, okay? But if you want to know how I did this, okay, I'm gonna explain it one more time. I made a square. Y'all see how I split that square in the middle in the beginning? And then I busted down the middle. Bam, bust the square down the middle. Once I did that, I split it in 2, got one side, angled it up. Bam. After I angled it up, I just started to braid and follow that curve. If that is confusing to you, go back and watch that video where I did all those hearts all over her head. I did the same exact method, okay? Where I did all the hearts, made all my little squares, sectioned it off, and busted it down the middle. Okay, and this is how I'm adding the synthetic hair in there, the curly synthetic hair. I'm just basically taking it, having her hold it and braid it down. That's all I'm doing. Like I said, I'm apologizing for the camera angle. I'm sorry, but that's what it looked like once I do it. And bam, that is what we got. And baby, like I said, I started this late. My baby was tired. She was asleep the whole time I did her hair. And what's so funny was she was the one who pressed me about getting his hair done. So like, she's like, no, I got a game tomorrow. I want my hair done. And you stay up to about 11, 12 on Roblox, but it's just 9:30 right now. You knocked out. I'm confused. I'm confused. But hey, got to see it through, my boy. Got to see it through. So now we get into that heart on the side. Y'all saw how I went ahead and that section that I had parted off, I busted down in two. I made that into a slant so that I am able to curve and follow the part that I had parted off anyway. Y'all see how I did that? Okay, y'all see. Let me talk about how slow I was moving during this process. I know it looks like, ooh, Tier, you getting that, girl, baby. If y'all knew how much I had to speed this video just to get it to the speed that it is now, I'm pretty sure that it's because I'm with child. And that scares me because I'm only, I'm very early in the game. So that means I got a lot more hairstyles to do. And ain't no telling how slow. It's going to be like a 2-3 day process for me to braid her hair in the future. Because I was moving like a turtle and I was getting in because I was finally picking up speed with the process. Like, I was like, okay, I'm getting faster at this. And baby, when I tell you, this baby done reset me back to the beginning. I feel like my baby was like 3-4 when it used to take me 7, 8, 10 hours to braid her hair. Okay, but I don't know what to do. We just gonna have to thug it out. We gonna have to start a hairstyle on Friday and finish it by Sunday, and hopefully y'all will get y'all video by Monday, Thursday. I don't know, but anyway, we getting it done though. Look at our heart. Look at the heart. Y'all see what I did there? It's there. And I did decide to crisscross it over. Now, this video gonna jump around because like I told y'all, we was tired. I started late. So how I did that heart, I did it to the other side. And all the other braids went straight up into a bun, baby. Like so. And look, this is what we had. This is what we had the next morning. All the braids going straight up. And then we got a heart on both sides, baby. A heart on both sides. Yeah. So my girl wanted some beads. So we decided to add beads only to the part in the front because I didn't have time to do it in the back, and I was just like, I convinced her that she didn't need them in the back. Okay, we still had a basketball game to get to. So she did with her ends curly, so I did flexi ride her ends so that it could be curly, and bam, this is what we had, and we made it to the game on time. Look at my girl, go Kylie, baby. She was so satisfied I couldn't keep her out the mirror. Okay, thanks for watching.